Welcome to the fourth and final day of the Six Gun Girls Trans Agulhas, powered by iconic Muscle Bear. Today we are in Streespy, found at the southernmost tip of Africa. Everybody is on their last legs, and today is going to be the toughest of all. As the event is coming to a close, everybody is anxiously awaiting to see who will be crowned the winner. So, let's go. I'm here with Stefan, the organizer of this event, and I would just like to ask, how has this year's Trans Agulhas been?
Yeah, this year's Six Gun Girls Trans Agulhas was amazing. We had really good weather and stuff from day one, and we're really very happy that we could finish in the Strand this year, because we've missed the Strand finish for the last 2 years due to weather. This year was very close to once again almost putting us out, not finishing it because of the strong weather and stuff, but we decided and the riders actually requested that they want to show how tough they are and that they can really get through these conditions. So we made them ride, and they showed us their abilities, and we only had 23 boats that was finishing out of the 40 that finished in the Strand, but that's still an amazing feat, and we're very excited and happy to show the world what our South African riders can do.